I was office buildings. You did a lot of historic renovation in different cities, Vail, and in my case it was San Francisco and Dallas and Cherry Creek in Denver.
I'd been in the development business in Denver for since the early 80s and had primarily concentrated my efforts on historic renovations and had concentrated developments along the 16th Street Mall, also doing properties, as Michael said, in Vail as well as Tucson, Arizona. So it was really concentrating in the development business, trying to find special type of buildings and properties that were unique and would have significant lasting value. At the time that we began to work together on a project known as Hotel Teatro, it was in the mid-90s. My brother Bill and I had purchased a building called Tramway Tower, and it was located at Arapahoe and 14th Street. We were trying to think about what options would be available for a building that had been vacant for about 9 or 10 years. We decided that maybe lofts or maybe affordable housing or some other type of product would be an appropriate reuse of that very, very beautiful historical building.
The first time I saw the building, I recall Jeff said, take a walk through and tell me what you think. As I walked the building, knocking pigeons out of the way, it was an interesting structure. It was built like a battleship, and the depths from the elevator core to the windows were highly conducive to the module you would use for an urban hotel room. And that's really where the idea was spawned. Did we plan to go into operations? I would say absolutely not. In fact, as I recall, our lender required us to have a management company when we first signed up the development construction loan. And but fate takes some funny turns, and we ended up with an operator that basically failed. The company imploded essentially, and we ended up having to take the reins ourselves, and that turned out to be, I think, the best thing that happened in that journey of Hotel Teatro.